What's up, barbecue fans? Welcome back to the patio. My name's Jake. You're watching Roman Cook. Today on the patio, I'm talking about one of my favorite appetizers. That's garlic bread. Now, there's lots of ways to make garlic bread, but in my book, there's a couple key things that make the perfect garlic bread. Today, we're going to cover them. We're actually going to do them on the Yoder wood-fired oven, so we'll fire that up now. And I'm going to dial this up to 450. So what makes a perfect garlic bread? Well, first off, you need to start off with some fresh bread. Pick that up the same day, or if you're up to it, make it yourself. It'll be even better. But when it's done, I want a crunchy outside with a warm, soft inside, and I want some garlic, like punch in the face garlic. I want some cheese, and I want some bacon. Put that together, and I think you've got some great tasting garlic bread. So what we're going to do here is we're going to cook our bacon first. We're going to do it on top of the Yoder oven. This gets nice and hot up here. We can use it to fry up some bacon. We're going to give this about 15 minutes to preheat, and then we'll get our bacon. So it's been about 10 minutes. We can start to prep our bacon. This is frozen bacon. This is one of my favorite bacon hacks. I always keep it frozen in the freezer. And then with a bread knife, I come across, cut myself some bacon bits. These are great for salads, breakfast, anytime you need some fresh bacon bits. It's just an easy way to do it, and it will defrost quickly. It doesn't need a lot of time. Let's throw them in our pan here. And we just throw our pan on top of our oven here. We'll close that up. Probably take like 5 minutes to come up to temperature. And then we're just going to stir these, cook them just like you normally would in this bacon bits.
And after about 10 minutes, our bacon is all done. We'll pull this off.
So I did say punch in the face garlic, right? So right now we've got 4 cloves of garlic. If you don't know how to do this, just break them out. I like to cut off each end just to make it easier. Smack with the side of your knife, and your covering will come right off. Oh, I have to smack a little harder. There we go. Now we've got our garlic. So if you don't like that much garlic, you could go ahead with 3 cloves and you'd be good. But I've got here a little mini food processor. We're gonna put in all of our garlic. We've got some Italian parsley here. A little bit of that. And then we take a healthy dose of high quality olive oil. Put this together. What we'll do just to make sure we get all the goodness here is we'll just give this a quick scrape. Just like that, we're all done. Now, if you like the smell of garlic, this right here, this is some heaven. And here's our bread. Like I said, I just picked this up this morning. We will get some foil and a bread knife, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut this guy open. Try and keep it as much in center as you can. You want equal sides. We'll take our garlicky goodness and just give this a nice healthy coating. And this completes phase 1. So what we're going to do here is we're going to put this together and we're going to work on our outside crunchiness that I want. All right. We'll go this way instead. What am I doing? It's like I've never folded bread before. Want to make sure we got the ends all nice and covered, but they'll be fine. Make sure it's tight. We want to keep all that heat in there. Now what we'll do is we'll put this in our wood-fired oven. It's been 10 minutes. Let's get out our bread. There we go. Oh yeah. I can tell we've got that crunch we're looking for on the outside. It smells good. Oh. That's crunchy. Whew. Definitely got the crunch that we're looking for. So now, phase 2. Now cheese-wise, you can go either way with this. I've got mozzarella and I've got cheddar here. Both work independently, or you can mix them together and you'll make some great bread. Now I'm gonna go half and half. Don't be shy with your cheese. It's very rare that I'm gonna have one piece of garlic bread when I make it, so I usually make half and half, and that way I can have one of each. And we've got a little snack while we're waiting. Don't forget our bacon bits here. Let it rain. And now what we'll do is we'll take a pizza peel here and we'll go back in our oven. Now in a normal oven, that would take about 10 minutes. Because we've got that heat coming over the top, it's probably gonna be 5 to 7 minutes, I would think. But I'll let you know how long it takes once it's done. It's been exactly 6 minutes, we're done. And there we are. Ooh, it's hot. It's gonna be nice and crunchy. Cheese is nice and melted. While we're letting this cool down, we'll talk about the contest real quick. Every video I do a contest, super easy to enter. All you gotta do is you gotta be subscribed to the channel, you gotta like the video, and comment down below using 2 hashtags. For this video, we'll use hashtag woodfired and hashtag garlic bread. Comment down below. At the end of the month, I'll use a random comment generator, and if I pick your comment, you'll get a $25 gift card to appbbq.com. And if you happen to be a Patreon member, it starts at $5 a month. I'll double it and I'll make it $50. So super easy to enter. The other thing I'm doing right now is we're quickly approaching 25,000 subscribers, doing a giveaway for that as well. To enter that one, just go to my website, ramancook.com, scroll all the way down to the bottom and sign up for my newsletter, and I'll do a random drawing for that once we hit 25K. Let's dig in and have a taste, see how we did. Looks the part. I'm gonna cut off this little end just because I don't like the end. My wife loves the end. This little piece right here, it's got a whole bunch of bacon on it. I mean, you can just hear how crunchy that is. Still hot. I might burn my face off trying this. I'm impatient. Yeah, we're still melty hot. Could have waited another minute or two. My eyes are watering, it was so hot. But I'll tell you what, that is absolutely delicious. Exactly what I'm looking for. I mean, this is the perfect garlic bread to me. We got nice crunch on the outside. The inside is nice and chewy. We got a ton of garlic in there. Cheese, bacon, deliciousness. When your dinner starts off with garlic bread like this, you know it's gonna be a great dinner. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. While you're down there, hit that subscribe button so you see future content. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you soon.